Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this video where I want to show you how to use Google Classroom, which is a digital platform for learning, student teachers, where you can share text, audio, but in audio file format and video format, basically everything in a classroom. So when you are sent an invitation link, you can have this interface or this one. Okay, you have it. On this you can see the pictures that I post. Now if you have this interface, okay, this is here you see, the title of the course, and on the right of your screen, on the left of your screen rather, you see the home page, the home button. You see the agenda, you see everything, you see the setting. Okay, and this for the setting, it will help you to make some setting to your profile as far as notification is concerned. Now let's come back to this view. Okay, so if you click on this, you can go to the second view with the picture I talked about, and there you have many things. Okay, you have the picture, you have the title of the course, and you have my picture there where you can I can post the things, and you have the modules. Okay, we have many thumbnail. The first one is what they call stream. In French it is flux. Okay, and you have another thumbnail which is class work. In French is travaux et devoirs. With this thumbnail you can select the module that you want. Okay, and you will see all the details related to this particular module, and not all the module actually. You can also decide to see all the module together. Okay, when it's like that, you will see that there are some which are in I would say violet, and some in gray. The one in gray means that I've not published it yet, I've not posted them yet, and the third thumbnail is people. The people, this is person in French. You see the teacher, you see the student. You will be the student, and I will be the teacher. And of course the last thumbnail is the grades. Now let's come back to this one. Let's come back to the classwork, because this is where you'll be spending most of your time. When you click on it, you can select a given task, and you will see all the details of the task. For example, here you can see the reading material, and the video that you're going to watch in attachment, and the assignment. Everything is there. You can decide to have a whole view of the assignment by clicking on show details or something. Okay, so after that, when you see this, you can download everything. You can download all the attachment that you see there. It's up to you. Like I said before, it's a good idea to download the attachment, the material, for later review. So let's consider the assignment in detail. When you see the assignment, here we have various kind of assignments. We have quiz. For example, the quiz, it is in the form of a Google Google form, and you can see this view because it's I'm the editor of the form, which is why you see it this way. If it is you will not see it this way. You will see rather the normal form of a Google form where you will be answering questions. Okay. So this is it. You can see everything, all the questions are there. Okay. And one thing I want to say is that I was talking about automatic marking of some questions and further review of some others. Okay, for example, here is here is an aspect that I will be marking later, and you will see this notification. Your answer will be reviewed by the facilitator and the grade attributed later. Thanks. If you see that, this means that the mark you have there, or if it is a 0, this means that it is not 0 yet. It will be reviewed and you will be allotted the correct mark. If it is maybe 10, maybe it is not yet the 10, I will have to review what you post before you have the correct mark. Now let's see, for example, how you can deal with this past part. We come to this the section of assignment. Okay, for the assignment, you can decide to add a comment, add something. Okay, you can just decide to add something, and for this you have various options. Okay, you can add as a comment, and you can also add as a submission. Let's see the case that you will add as a comment. Okay, a comment is someone has posted something, maybe your teacher or maybe a classmate has posted something and you want to react to what they have posted. This is a comment. Now if it is it is not a comment, it's the other one. So for a comment, the comment section will help you not only to write your text, what you want to write, but to also edit. Okay, here the assignment is that you should explain how you learned your mother tongue and this, so I try to write something to see. Okay, now I write something just like that and add some other details for you to see what I want to give as an example, right? So when you do that, automatically you will see that you will go to the line. You go to the line automatically, but you can also go to the line by pressing your enter button on your mobile phone or on your laptop. Okay, so after that you can edit what you wrote, your post. You can edit it, okay, by selecting your post, okay, and by editing it the way you want. You can put it on bold type, okay, you can put it in italic type. Italic is for example this way. You can even underline your post. You can underline if you wish. You can underline a passage, a part of it, or the whole. You can you can do many things. You can do many things. You can do many things. You can even put what we call bullets. You can use bullets to highlight your ideas, okay, and you can delete all the edition that you put. You can put you can delete everything, and then when you are done, you press post. Okay, you press post. Now when you press post, this means that your post is public. Everybody can see, your classmates, your teacher, everybody can see it. Let's suppose that you made a mistake and you want to correct. How do you do that? What you do is you come here and you press modify. Okay, you press modify. You modify. So when you press modify, as soon as you change something, you will see that save. The save button will come alive, which will be now, and now you save, and you to publish for now. Okay, all right. Let's see more from the flags. The stream section. The stream section is where you want to post yourself. It's not that you want to make a comment to react to what somebody wrote, but you want to post. And for this, you have the same option that you have in the comment section, but you also have more. Okay, let's say you write, just like in the comment section, you write something, you can edit it as we did in the comment section, just as we did that, but the addition here is that what is added here is that you can attach file. You can attach file from your Google Drive. So you select the button of Google Drive, you go into your Google Drive, and you attach the file. You can attach a video from YouTube. Okay, so you just click on the YouTube icon, you go on YouTube, you copy the link, and it will automatically come here. You can even share a file from your phone or from your laptop, and you just need to do this, and you get into your phone or laptop and you select the file and you come and post. You can also share links. Okay, you can also share links, and you post your link and you share. Once you are done, you just come here and you press send button. There are options here, but what I prefer, you have option like you schedule your post, or you save it as a draft. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. So it's almost everything. When you post something, you will see the time you post it. You see everything. The time you post what your post is there, so everybody can see. You can also delete it like before and everything. All right. This is all. Thank you for watching. Bye.